up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Teniola and I go by the name Tennis Natural here on YouTube. If you are seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please don't make it your last. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and stuff. In today's video guys, I'm talking about a very nice topic. Like, I'm going to be talking about body care, but face care to be precise. Last year I was researching on anti-aging products and I come across retinol. I started using retinol 4 months ago, more like 14 weeks ago. Let me tell you, if you are in Nigeria, please make sure you are buying from a trusted dealer. I bought Cosrx on Jumia, I bought retinol on Jumia, I bought CeraVe foaming cleanser on Jumia, and they delivered trash. I'm going to blame myself because they were crazily cheap, but that is because it is my first time. I didn't really know what to expect with the pricing and all, so that was a very big mistake. Thank God that, in fact, I've used the retinol, the fake retinol. I have used it for 2 weeks before I discovered that it was fake. Prior to using retinol, I really have no issues with my skin. My skin is just there. I've already made my research and I know that retinol is supposed to purge my skin. I'm supposed to have some purging, right? But the purging I was getting was because I was using a fake product. It wasn't really the effect of an original retinol. But I didn't realize on time until my friend that I introduced retinol to bought her own, and the consistency, the product was just not the same. So I told her to show me her own on video call, and guys, her own was the original and my own was like okra. Retinol is from a family of vitamin A. So we have retinol, we have retinaldehyde, and then we have tretinoin. Retinol is the mildest version, and then retinaldehyde is in the middle, and then tretinoin. If you are just starting out, if you don't have any bad acne, if your skin is normal, if you don't have sensitive skin, or if you just want to introduce your face or your body to vitamin A, I will advise you start slow, start mild, because I've seen people go straight to using tretinoin, and not just that, they use it every day. Not just that, they use it during the day without sunscreen. Like, they use it and go out. They use it the way they use Fumba A. They use it the way they use Pidam. Once you're 25 and above, I would advise you start using anti-aging products. If you're below 25, just let it go. But once you're 25 and above, make sure you start using anti-aging products. I started with 0.5. My friend started with 0.2. Yes. So I started with 0.5. I used the whole bottle, and then the next one I bought 1%, and I'm staying on 1%. It is not about going higher. It is about using the percentage your face can tolerate every day. You're still going to get amazing results, like the same results. I feel like it is better to use a lower percentage that you can use every day than a higher percentage that you use 3 times a week. Yes, because retinol is actually designed for you to use every day. Use retinol only at night. Retinaldehyde, tretinoin, whichever one you want to go into. Use it only at night. Do not use it during the day. And if you have sensitive skin, if your skin barrier is compromised from probably harsh product that you have used in the past, make sure you are doing a method that we all call the sandwich method. So the sandwich method is by using an hydrating product, like an hydrating moisturizer, serum, essence, whatever, and then your retinol, and then on top of that you're going to use another moisturizer to seal it in, so it will not penetrate as much. But for me, when I started, because I was unsure if my face is sensitive or not, I started with the sandwich method. I use it every other day. So if I use it on Monday, I skip it on Tuesday. I use it on Wednesday, I skip it on Thursday. And I did that for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I realized that I didn't really have any bad symptoms, bad reaction and all. I tried to use it alone without the sandwich method. And I was fine, my skin was fine, but I was still using it every other day. And then a week later, I started using it every day and my face was still fine. That means I don't have sensitive skin. But if you have sensitive skin, please make sure you start slow. Make sure your face builds tolerance to it. Don't just go and start packing your face with retinol. It doesn't matter what brand you want to use. I use the Ordinary. That is what I've been using. I can't say for now, but for now I'm standing with the Ordinary. It is not a magic product. Retinol is not a magic product. It is not going to perform any miracle. In fact, it gets ugly before it gets beautiful. This is an honest truth. If you think retinol is going to act like Aneza, Fumbat A, whatever you people use that clears your spots in 3 days, it is not retinol. Just drop it. Retinol is not going to do that for you. Let me be realistic. I have somebody I follow on TikTok. I follow her journey on TikTok. Her name is Sandra Madu. She has been using retinol for like 8 months. 8 months, guys, and she's not there yet. So what are my experiences during these 4 months? During these 14 weeks of using retinol? First, I got lots and lots of comedones, closed comedones. My forehead, this area, it was so bad. The feelings I get whenever I wash my face in the morning, the roughness, I was not used to that. What retinol does is it speeds up cell turnover. Your skin, the fat under your skin is coming to the surface rapidly. So until everything is done underneath your skin, until your skin is clean, then that is when you start seeing effect. For a month of using retinol, I looked ugly. I looked dark. I know people say retinol does not make you dark, but no, it made me dark. It made my brother dark because my brother is also using it. It made us dark. But I read somewhere that it is all the hyperpigmentation that is underneath your skin coming to the surface. But after that, our face cleared up. So I'm going to be telling you the serums that you can use retinol. You can use hyaluronic acid with retinol. It goes well. You can use niacinamide with retinol. Perfect. Okay, but don't use lactic acid, salicylic acid, mandelic acid, or vitamin C with retinol. Don't. So I have simplified routine for retinol for you. So I'm going to start with night routine because, like I said, only use your retinol at night. So let's start with the night routine. We're going to start with a mild cleanser. Your cleanser should not have any active. Your cleanser should be cleanser. The goal of your cleanser is to just clean your skin. Okay? Mild cleanser. There are a lot of mild cleansers in the market, but I'm going to use Dove bar soap. That is what I use. I use Dove bar soap. You can use any cleanser of your choice. You can use CeraVe. You can use any cleanser of your choice. But mild cleanser. Cleanser with no active. After that, dry your skin. Don't apply retinol on wet skin. Make sure your skin is dry. Okay? If you have sensitive skin, do the sandwich method. Retinol can be very drying for you if you have dry, sensitive skin. You could peel. A lot could be going on. Okay? So make sure you're using an hydrating product. It could be in the form of moisturizer, toner, essence, or serum. Like I said, make sure you're following the rules. Serums to use on the night you're using retinol: hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. Please listen. Hyaluronic acid or niacinamide. So you can apply your hyaluronic acid, then you can apply your essence if you have. If you don't, let it go. Then you can apply your retinol, and then you can apply your moisturizer on top. But make sure in between application, you are giving yourself time for the product to sink in. For example, give yourself 1 to 2 minutes for your hyaluronic acid to get into your skin, and then apply the next product and let it sink in, and then apply the next product. Let it sink in before you apply the next product. Don't go to bed immediately after applying retinol, or else you're just going to get it on your pillow. Make sure you're giving yourself 1 to 2 hours before you go to bed. Okay? For morning routine, in the morning, clean your skin with a mild cleanser. Don't use any active, okay? Then use your serums, niacinamide, use your essence if you have, use your vitamin C serum, and then use your moisturizer. And lastly, use your sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. Now, that is the routine for retinol journey. If you have normal skin, you don't experience dryness, you don't experience, your face is normal, your skin is not sensitive to any product or anything, you can use your retinol alone. Use your cleanser to clean your skin, and then use retinol and go to bed. That's it. That is what I do. Now, let's come back to the things you should not do. On the days you want to exfoliate, because even with retinol, you still need to exfoliate. Once a week is enough. Pick a day. It could be Sunday, it could be Monday. Pick a day. You are cleaning with a cleanser, a mild cleanser. You go in with your exfoliant. It could be salicylic acid, it could be mandelic acid, it could be lactic acid. If they are in form of serum, go ahead and use it. But if they are in form of cleanser, make sure you are washing your face for like 1 minute before you rinse it off, so that they can get into your skin and do what they needed to do. That's all. Another thing is, you might get dark. It might return you back to factory reset. You know, your skin is dark and then you went to bleach. It might return you back to your normal, proper skin tone. So don't say retinol makes you dark. It's not retinol. It is just returning you back to factory reset. Anyway, that is all. I know it is bulky. I don't want to split it, and I don't want this video to be too long, too lengthy. Please, if you have any question, go ahead and put it down in the comment section. If you are on retinol, share your experience. Let others learn from your experience. I'm also still learning. Like I said, it's been 14 weeks and it's been up and down. Some days I wake up and I'm like, what is going on with my face? And some days I wake up and smiling at the mirror. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster. Alright guys, so that will be all for this video. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you are new. Make sure you comment. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Please subscribe. We need to get up. Like, we need to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. We need to get money. We need to monetize this channel as soon as possible. So guys, go ahead and support your baby girl, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.